the rough like this. She's real. See?
She's fine.
Don't do that.
You're pretty, you're alright.
All right, let's see him hold her.
Okay.
You ready?
Good luck,
So,
Annabelle.
Are you ready? I'm ready.
Make sure you support her little head, and that's all that
Hello.
matters.
Okay, got you.
Oh,
Okay.
there you go.
Don't
Look
be
at
nervous
with his
or she'll
knee.
know.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm not nervous.
She'll know.
You're cute. Hello. Okay, well, this is going okay. Oh, you get the big smile. This is going okay.
Oh, she likes you.
I'm a little afraid of you. You're a little afraid of me.
She doesn't say anything. You don't have to talk to her the whole time.
What are you thinking? You'll never know. Are you nervous? A little? You think I'm a weirdo. They all
She
do.
loves you.
They all think I'm strange. You
Jackie, you like
Is she
that?
smiling?
Yeah, she loves it.
what?
Her name's Annabelle.
Annabelle? My name's Rob. How's it going? What did you do today?
We went to Target.
You went to Target?
She cried in Target.
Did you buy anything? Are you a shopping fool?
$200 worth.
Wow, what a lucky girl.
I can't get out of Target without spending at least 100.
So this is pretty
Sure,
scary.
with a baby, it's way worse.
Is this almost over?